Okay, so for today we will look into the first question. Okay, so this one over here we have 3-point charges. Okay, so given the value -5 microcoulomb, -3 and 8 microcoulomb. Okay, so we have 2 negative charge and 1 positive charge. Okay, so the arrangement given is in a straight line. Okay, if the resultant force acting on -3, okay, -3 microcoulomb charge is given as 35. Okay, so they wanted to calculate the distance between, okay, distance x between the -3 microcoulomb and the charge 8 microcoulomb. Okay, all right. So to make the solution a bit easier, so what we do is that we label lah. Okay, so now let's say this one I label as Q1, Q2 and Q3. Okay, so Q1 is an negative charge, Q2 is a negative charge, Q3 is an positive charge. Okay, okay, so negative and negative, okay, it will repel. So that means the force, okay, by charge 1 on 2 will be moving toward the right. Okay, so now let's say if we label, so F1 on 2 to the right. Okay, Q3 is a positive, Q2 is a negative, so that means it will have attraction force. So attraction, that means Q2 will be attracted toward Q3. Okay, so this one, the interaction by charge 3 on 2. Okay, so since both moving toward the right, okay, so the resultant F12 plus with F32 will be equivalent to 35 Newton. Okay, so once we have this, okay, so now before determining the value of x, first what we need to do is that determine the force F32. So what we do, rearrange the equation. F32 will be equivalent to 35 minus with F12. Okay, so expand this one, 35 minus, okay, K, Q1, Q2, okay, over distance, okay, R square. So this one, 35, okay, minus K, 9 times 10 to the power of 9, okay, multiply with, okay, so Q1 value is given, okay, 5 times 10 to the power of -6, okay, and then Q2 value given 3 times 10 to the power of -6, okay, so over, okay, so this one is 0.1 square. Okay, so once we solve this, we will end up with F32 is equivalent to 35 minus with 13.5. Okay, so the end product we end up with 18.5 Newton. Okay, so this is the value of F32. So in order to determine the distance, so what we need to do is that we need to expand this one lah. So if we expand, you will end up with K, Q3, Q2, okay, over R square. So expand further, 9 times 10 to the power of 9, okay, Q3 value given, okay, microcoulomb, and then Q2 also value given, okay, over unknown x square, so equivalent to 18.5. Okay, So what we need to do is that solve this part, okay, where you'll end up with x is equivalent to 0.11 meter. Okay. Alright, so done. Okay, now let us look into the marks lah. Okay. So this one, okay, so in order to solve, first you need to have the free body diagram lah, or FBD labeled. Okay, so this one, let's say Q2. So on Q2 you have label F12 and also label F32. Okay, so if you have this label, okay, 1 mark over here. Okay, and then the resultant over here. So this one concept 1 mark lah. Okay. So and then you replace in the value. Okay. Replacement value 1 mark. Okay, and further down here, so same thing, replacement of the value. Okay, 1 mark. Okay, and then your final answer with unit 1 mark. So total altogether you should get 5 marks. Okay, so good luck, have a nice day.